Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The GINAF Limousine Motorhome, which is expected to be released in 2025, is an ambitious and possibly revolutionary combination of luxurious living space, high-end luxury, and the strong engineering heritage of the GINAF truck manufacturing heritage. This fictitious car imagines a custom-built vehicle that goes beyond the traditional limits of both motorhomes and limos to create a new standard of mobile luxury. The significantly modified GINAF chassis, which is well known for its robustness, load-bearing ability, and advanced suspension systems, would probably serve as the basis for this extraordinary vehicle. The intended limousine-style passenger compartment and all of the amenities of a luxury motorhome would need to be housed on this sturdy chassis, which would be designed to support an enlarged wheelbase and a significant overall length. The outward design would probably aim for a mix between the visual sophistication appropriate for a high-end limousine and the commanding presence that comes with a huge truck-based vehicle. In order to create an air of subtle strength and exclusivity, this could include streamlined, unique bodywork, integrated lighting systems, and subtly placed service access points. The 2025 GINAF Limousine Motorhome's inside would be the focal point of its design, painstakingly created to provide an unmatched degree of comfort and elegance. Luxurious, individually adjustable seats covered in fine leathers, handcrafted wood veneers, and custom ambient lighting are likely to be found in the passenger compartment. Modern entertainment systems would have immersive sound, big screens, and seamless networking. The limousine experience would be further improved with a special bar space, possibly furnished with climate-controlled beverage storage. The RV element would appear in a living space that is harmoniously integrated, going beyond the conventional limousine arrangement. A completely furnished gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, an opulent bathroom with high-end fittings, and a private sleeping area with the utmost comfort are a few examples of this. To guarantee both spatial efficiency and a sense of seamless movement throughout the vehicle, creative design solutions would be needed to integrate these living areas within the enlarged chassis. Significant soundproofing, panoramic viewing windows, and sophisticated climate control systems would all enhance the atmosphere and comfort of the ship. It is anticipated that the 2025 GINAF Limousine Motorhome will have state-of-the-art technological features. These can include sophisticated navigation and communication technologies, innovative driver assistance systems built on GINAF's experience with commercial vehicles, and all-inclusive power management solutions to support the comforts aboard. For a car of this size, security features that are subtly incorporated into the design would also be crucial. Undoubtedly, the market for such a vehicle would be specialized, serving ultra-high net worth people or exclusive clients looking for a mobile setting that blends the comfort and independence of a high-end camper with the status of a limousine. The development of the 2025 GINAF Limousine Motorhome would be a major endeavor requiring a combination of custom craftsmanship, automotive engineering expertise, and an uncompromising dedication to unmatched elegance. Its fulfillment would redefine the whole notion of mobile opulence and represent a daring leap into unexplored terrain.